As of late 2025, there's no direct instant transfer feature between Apple Pay and Revolut. Users must rely on an indirect two-step process to move funds quickly. The quickest workaround involves withdrawing your Apple Pay balance, like Apple Cash in the US, to a bank account that supports instant transfers. Some banks offer real-time payments in the US or are part of the SEPA Instant Credit Transfer Network in Europe for fast settlements. Then, link that bank account to your Revolut account and use Revolut's top up or transfer feature to pull the funds instantly. This relies on systems that settle in seconds, though instant speed depends on bank support and region. ACH transfers in the US, for example, aren't truly instant. The fintech landscape is evolving rapidly, driven by demand for faster, seamless transactions. While a direct Apple Pay to Revolut instant transfer isn't yet available, expect increasing interoperability as wallets and banks merge and regulations evolve. Watch for trends like unified wallets and wider adoption of global instant payment systems. Important considerations include potential fees, especially for cross-border transfers, the specific bank's instant transfer support, and security measures like tokenization and biometric authentication. Always verify the latest transfer options and fees through the official Apple Pay and Revolut apps, as these features are constantly being updated. Direct integrations are expected by 2027-2028.